How to fix TikTok unable to authorize please try again error on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get past this error and back into TikTok quickly. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for TikTok and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Once done, reopen TikTok and try logging in again. From here, if the error is still showing up, tap on Storage again. This time, tap on Clear Data to do a full reset of the app. Then reopen TikTok and try again. From here, if the error is still there, let me show you the next fix. Check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. At this stage, if switching connections didn't help, open the Play Store. Search for TikTok at the top. Tap on Update if one is available and wait for it to finish. Once updated, reopen TikTok and try logging in again. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open TikTok and try logging in one more time. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the TikTok unable to authorize error, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.